Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our SPK-100 solar panel MC3 and MC4 crimping toolkit with insulated screwdrivers. The Jonard Tools crimping toolkit includes a variety of tools to make installing and maintaining solar panels quick and easy. The toolkit includes the following: SPD-MC4 Crimper with already installed MC4 die, SPD-MC3 Crimping Die, JIC-625 cable cutter, SPS-2 spanners, a set of 2, our INS-2100, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, our INS-475 slotted head screwdriver, our WS-822 wire stripper, and this all comes in our TKC-110 case.